One of the things I enjoy most about cooking at these tables is our ability to harvest, cut, chop vegetables just before a meal. Good afternoon. Hello, everybody. We are back from the stables today. We are doing a chicken breast stuffed with spinach and cheese. On the side, we have dill potatoes and flash fried peppers. We start today with spinach. Clean it well and remove the stems. Don't throw these away. They're full of nutrients, and you can add them to lentils and vegetables to get all the nutrients back. Also, de-seed and slice red peppers. De-seeding peppers allows you to manipulate the heat in a dish while retaining the color and the pungency. In a hot pan, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, chopped garlic and onions. Saute for about a minute. Now add the spinach and cook for another minute. Then add salt and freshly crushed black pepper to this. The spinach has a lot of water. Adding salt speeds up the wilting process. Cook till the spinach and the mixture is dry. Keep aside to cool. We now take a fresh, clean, dry chicken breast. Open it up by slicing through the center like a butterfly. This allows you to make a very good pocket for the filling. I beat this chicken fillet with the back of my knife. It allows the chicken to get tender and cook faster. Season both sides with olive oil, salt, pepper, and chopped garlic. Keep it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now to add more oomph to my dish, I'm doing some baby potatoes tossed with fresh dill. The dill and potatoes are also from the stables. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. I also have some boiled baby potatoes with some skin on. I like the skin partially to be on the potatoes. Toss these well with the chopped dill and the baby potatoes. Season with salt and pepper. Let's get back to the spinach mixture, which is now cool. We'll grate half a cup of cheese in it and mix it well. Now let's spoon about 3 teaspoons of this cheesy spinach mixture in the center of the chicken fillet and fold it to make a nice steak. We'll use toothpicks to hold the fillet together because the cheese and the skin, once cooked, could open up and ooze out. Let's put this chicken steak now on a hot pan and quickly sear both sides and cook for about 2 minutes on each side, covered with a lid. We also must remember to take the toothpicks out, otherwise we'll have guests with sharp toothpicks and wooden splinters. To finish this dish, let's de-seed 2 peppers and quickly flash pan cook them on a hot pan. Season with some salt. And now let's plate our dish. And this is the time when it really comes together in a final flourish. The lovely grilled chicken steak, the peppers, the herbed potatoes, and we'll top this up with some more grated goodness of the cheese on top of the chicken. And as you cut through the steak, see the magic. Cheesy spinach, grilled chicken, dill potatoes, and the peppers, all of them coming together on a plate. Cheers, guys. I hope you enjoy this. I'm loving it.